Hey guys, Jack here and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Now you may notice today I've got a little bit of a different angle, and that's because I'm using my actual Streamlabs to record today, and as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get sound commands working for Chatbot. Now if you don't know what Chatbot is, it's basically an extension to Streamlabs so that when someone types in your chat exclamation mark and then whatever you set it to, it will play an audio clip from, say, a sound effect in your stream. I'll show you an example of this in a minute, but yeah, today I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get into it. So right now, open on my screen, I have Streamlabs Chatbot. Now basically, what you have is basically your chat feed of Twitch here. You need to install this separately, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute, but this is just example purposes. So when you type in your chat, say for example, I've got MLG as one of my commands. So if someone types in exclamation mark MLG, it will play this sound. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set that up using certain sound effects. So what you want to do straight away is you want to type in Streamlabs Chatbot into Google search. Basically that will bring up this first page here, and it says create your own chatbot. So we're going to click this and it takes you to the Streamlabs website. Now this will basically give you an instruction of what you need to do. You're going to want to click this download button and it will then go ahead and download in the corner of your screen for you like mine has here, but I'm going to cancel it because I already have it downloaded. Now when you go to actually open it, it will ask you to sign into your Twitch, which you need to go ahead and do. Now this will then open this page here, which it opens, and it will open it on the console page, or it could open it on dashboard. Basically this is like another extension to Nightbot. It's different to Nightbot, but it kind of uses the same thing, but it allows you to add subscribers. It tells you who your subscribers are on your Twitch channel. You can add commands in, so I've got some that say like my friends, and then it posts their streams along with like follow. You can have timers on here that will be like follow, Twitch Prime, and after a certain amount of times it will post it in. But the one that we're going to focus on today is sound files. Now basically I've got all these ones, so I've got exclamation mark good, exclamation mark here, exclamation mark MLG, exclamation mark sad, and exclamation mark spooky. And when people type that in the chat, it will play the specific sound according to what they've actually used. What you're going to want to do first is go to a site that you can get sound effects from. Now my favourite site to get sound effects is this site here called myinstance.com. Now you can type this in and it has all kinds of different like sound effects on here for you to use. Any of these are perfect for you to use at all. You've got Metal Gear Solid alerts, anything like that. We're going to go for just today the classic My Name's Jeff one.
My name is Jeff.
You click it and it will show you. Now to download this, you just literally click on it and you go, it loads it up for you. And when you do that, it goes to download MP3. Now once you've done that, you want to then go to back to the chatbot, and where it says sound files, you go to the same folder but you go to add. Now when you put this in, what you want to put in name is the name of whatever you want people to type. So say we want to type exclamation mark Jeff, will play the sound. You can change the volume here for how loud you want it to be, and then also you can go to votes. I don't really know what votes do. Group is just what it will actually put it in. You want to group it in general, and then when you go and pick the sound file, you go to sound file, download, find the actual one, which is ring 20 for me, and you want to find the file that obviously it's been put into. You can preview it at the end here, which will play it once.
My name is Jeff.
And then all this here is automatically generate the command. So this gives you the permissions. So this is like a specific user can only use it, subscriber ranks, regulars, all that kind of stuff. Usually you just go for everyone. You can add a point system into Chatbot, so you'll get certain points for doing certain stuff. But for now we'll just set it as 0 because we don't really need anyone to use it as point system. If you set a point system up, basically you can put 150 and it will cost you 150 points to use it each time. You can set your cooldown here as well as how long between people can use it, and then how many users can use it in a certain amount of minutes as well. We're going to put those to 0 because we're not really going to use them. Down at the bottom bar here, which you can't see, is just like an optional response, so you can type in there whatever you want it to say. We're going to submit it, and then we're going to go to the console, which is basically your Twitch chat, and when you type in exclamation mark Jeff,
my name is Jeff,
it will play the sound. There you go guys, I hope you did enjoy the video today. I basically showed you guys how to sort out sound effects in Twitch streams with certain sounds in the chat. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to smash a like. If you want a tutorial on anything else Streamlabs Chatbot wise, make sure to leave a comment below, but I'll see you next time. Peace.